Alright, back again on the LS Nasty YouTube channel. Late night. Jason, what are you doing? It's your birthday, so we're going to use you to your maximum potential and have you welding stuff here.
I think I'm sleepwalking, dude.
Hey, happy birthday, by the way.
Thanks, buddy.
Happy birthday. So what do you do? We got a bunch of Hemi sleeves here. Lights out is on, and we're not watching it. So we need to have the projector set up.
So we've got to. So that's what we're working on now.
So is that what you're making? What you're making some?
Yeah. I'm welding like Farlow right now.
So I don't think these sleeves were intended to be welded together, but
They're going.
that's from our Weinberg for the LS, right?
Yeah. People are going to be asking about that now.
This is actually Jason's welding hat, but he's not using it now.
I use it when I get a fine tune. Oh yeah, now we're down.
Oh, you got that thing running primo right now, don't you?
Turn the Wes, you turn the speed up, the top button. Yeah. What's it on now? 40? 40? Put it on 50.
Uh-oh. Things are getting wild here. Oh, look at that.
Hey, turn the heat down just a tad. Alright.
By the way, you see that new impact that ball?
There we go.
No. Those sleeves are a little wore out, but they're perfect for holding a damn...
It's like welding her in meatloaf.
You just hold the trigger down and hold it there?
Yeah, man.
that one's gotten a little ugly.
Hey, Ben, turn the heat down a little more. Yeah, it's still hot.
What do you mean by hot?
It's got too much power. Yeah.
Got too much power. What does that mean? It's just burning a hole?
It's just, yes.
To it. So it's essentially burning a hole.
Oh yeah, now we're getting to
Yeah, listen to it making noises and crackling. Oh, that sounded like a nice little beady. Like, oh, are you showing off right now?
We'll show off here in a second. Hold on.
Look at you. Listen to this whole thing crackling. This thing is angry.
It's like, help! Help!
Oh, it's hot.
He about caught on fire. Oh, that was a little angry spot there, wasn't it?
That was a John wheel.
You just hammered through it.
Got the ground all the way down there, and it's fucking pissed.
He doesn't even care.
And they're like super clean right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
These came
Metal-
straight out of a Hemi.
The metal is super duper clean. That's what's making it weld so great.
God, we get so much done when Jason's around.
Not because the metal's contaminated at all.
Yeah, not at all.
People's here now? Don't look at it, John. Don't look at the eyes.
Well, that's a nice bead right there. You're showing off on the last one, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, Leo grab it too.
That's all I got. I don't have anything.
You got $2? Right now. Here. No, don't worry about it.
Look at that. Here, it doesn't look hot.
A couple spots probably need more what I got on them.
Oh, look at that. The last little one was just nice. God, that put Farlow to oh, you're going to fill that gap.
It's that Farlow gap.
That's literally all you can weld on that one. God, this is going to be crooked as hell. God, it got me. We have so much going on. Chris just climbed the ladder, hooking up the Apple TV.
He climbed that thing in half a second.
He's like the guys that do the firefighting competitions.
He's just gonna slide down.
Yeah. Jason's over there fabbing up the mount for the damn projector. Ben is the only one trying to actually do productive work for the shop right now and trying to put a transmission together.
No, this is productive work. We have to be able to watch ducks race.
You're right. You're right. You're right.
Look at that.
Jason's got his brand new fab table right there. Fab's on the ground.
Hey, stop watching the light.
I keep looking at it. You alright up there, Chris? You need Chris to, or you need Wes to climb up behind you?
Nah, I'm good.
I can stabilize you. Get up there and micromanage you on the ladder.
Watch this, I'll slide down.
No, don't you dare. Don't you dare. I thought he was.
What was that?
He just threw the little mount out there.
Sir,
You're lucky that didn't explode because that's all brake clean.
Alright. Hey.
Jason, what do you charge for projector fabrication?
$150 an hour.
Wow. High dollar.
I'm glad it's only been 5 minutes.
Jason's doing it quick because he just wants to eat and watch some racing. Ben is still grinding away on the power glide. Jason's walking around with his weird looking hat on. And Chris is now climbing the ladder with a grinder. Look at Jason.
Oh shit. Hey, I'm unplugging something.
Yeah, unplug the bottom one. Yeah, there you go.
You alright?
Yeah, hold on to that thing, Wes.
I'm gonna go, Wes.
I'm worried at this point.
Hey, make sure the spark flies to the damn brake fluid trash can.
Cover your pizza up. You got your eye protection on?
Give her a little taparoo and see where they go.
That's some thick stuff, huh? Oh, there they are. Oh. Hey, you know that song, The Roof is on Fire? Yeah, right over my brand new clean transmission parts and beers. God, Chris is getting it up there. You're still wearing that goofy hat.
No reason to take it off when I gotta go back up with it.
Yeah,
Yeah, it'll work.
It looks good from here.
Jason's gonna have mesothelioma in his pizza now.
Or diabetes.
Are you good, Chris?
Hold cord right
This
there.
is my safety rope.
So have you ever welded at altitude before?
Yeah, a few times.
Yeah? So you know what you're doing?
Yeah.
He's a lot more steady now, I'll tell you that.
Why don't you go up there with that hat on, Wes?
Hey, you're supposed to say, hey, hold my beer.
Yeah, hold on here. No, that don't already do it.
Ben's actually trying to do work.
I'm about to blow this thing out.
This thing's going to be rounded to something that's...
Up there? Can you ground it to yourself since you're holding it?
Let's hold a ladder.
Well, he's not on the ground.
Yeah, that's literally not gonna reach.
I'll carry the welder up behind you.
Hold on.
What's that?
No, not that. The actual welder itself is not gonna reach.
Oh, he's on the ground.
I can ground the ground.
No.
He's creating an extension.
I know, but regardless, what are you gonna just fish the wire all the way up there and tap it? Look at how long your welder is.
Yeah, we're taking it.
That's what I'm saying. Like, you're gonna have to get the rod all the way out of it, like 4 feet long, and just tap it.
Oh my god. We're about to go. Well, the damn tooth. We have to pick it up. Somebody's got to pick it up.
Someone's gotta pick it up? No way!
So we're gonna be.
Is someone seriously gonna have to carry that up the ladder behind you? Ben!
Hang on, I got you.
I can go up there.
Wes, yeah, come on, Wes. And make sure that thing doesn't get blinded.
We need a 6-foot ladder. Stand on top of it.
Yeah, that's what we need.
Oh, where's the blue
I
one?
can just hold it up there the whole time.
Jack.
All right, from that point, I need you to just extend the rod out of there. Just sniper. Dude, that damn ladder's scaring me. It's flexing so much. Dude, stop. Seriously.
Like a damn bobblehead.
What if we put it on the trans jack and just lift it up?
Grand Jack ain't gonna be as high as this.
Ah!
Pick it up, Ben.
Ben's turning red. He must be.
That's how you know it's heavy.
Behind Ben.
Hey, turn it.
We got
Let's see.
this way.
Dude.
I mean, what was I gonna say? I mean, I don't want to kill him when you're on that.
No, we're good. Alright, now we need the pole. So you need that one.
That's why I get your safety loop now. It's not gonna go
Now we need
anymore.
that. Alright.
I got the safety loop.
Put that like that. I'm gonna stand up here and hold
You want
this.
the shaft?
Give me the shaft.
All right. Please deliver Chris with the large shaft.
Somebody's gotta go to the front. Yeah, the front's the pointed area.
Okay.
God,
This thing's
Turn around a little.
How heavy is that?
it's kind of heavy enough.
It's kind of heavy.
It's not heavy, but it's awkward because there's no way to hold it.
No, we got the trans jack though.
Do you want me to stand on top of the trans jack?
Hey, wait. Is it facing the right? Yeah, it's right there.
Make sure it's straight.
It's perfect.
Yeah, tack her in there.
Tack it.
God, his grip strength is incredible.
Dude, it looks good for my house.
Whoa, that thing weighs like a solid 20 pounds.
God, I'm so nervous for him to let his hand off of it. That thing's gonna plummet to the ground like a missile.
We just need to make sure it's straight because if it's well, you said you can offset it, right?
Yes, sir. I can offset it.
All right, I'm gonna bend it back a little bit.
Okay, yeah. I want you to put the fire on that
I'm
thing.
gonna put that 5 in that ass.
Oh. I can't wait till we open the garage door one time and just knock this thing on the
I
ground.
don't give a. It won't go that far. Garage don't go that far.
And weld right to the ground.
If that thing falls, it's gonna kill someone.
That thing's got
That is badass.
Is it secure?
Yeah, I'm gonna weld it a little more.
Let me get these rags out of here.
Before it catch on fire.
Ignite.
Oh, God, dang.
It's like the 4th of July.
What we'll do for safety is we'll put a pair of vice grips up there.
Look, your viewers gonna be like, man, that guy's badass.
He can weld anything.
That bitch was hot. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Whoa.
That one Michelob got Chris.
Hey, only 90 calories though.
Ah, that's money.
How does it do that? And not
Bending the
fall?
whole beam.
It's on Viagra.
It is bending the whole beam.
Yeah.
God, the landlord's gonna be so pissed.
Oh, he just sucked it up.
Artwork.
Hey, yeah, give me the thing and I'll go ahead and put it over there too.
Look at Ben just manhandle that welder.
Front cable. And the argon cable. I guess it's argon.
Ben, how heavy is that?
BPF does structural welding. Surround sound. Entertainment.
No. All right, we just got done watching Ducks race. It's like midnight. Ben got the transmission ready to go back tomorrow. This one will be our spare. Wes, you look like hell.
The transmission looks like hell.
What? They both look great.
This one looks great. You like you have a puzzle of parts over there.
Yeah, that's just all stacked up. This is all separated, so. But everything is nice and cleaned up and ready to roll and good to go. So we'll throw that one back tomorrow and put it in the cow. Fix the turbo kit. This one will get thrown back together and be a spare.
Why don't you throw this one in the cow tomorrow?
Because that one is brand new and it's a 3-piece case. More badass. More badass.
That needs half a piece. You know what, he's going to go move it back for that other half later.